Hello guys, Oliver Peters from Bullion Trading. I'm here to analyze with you the markets. Concerning the DAX, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. So I will show you my screen and the analysis. I already do that in French just before. If you want to have more details, you can switch on the French one. I excuse myself if some words are missing in English, but I'm not English born, so I'll try to do my best. For the economic calendar for today, there's no news, no specific news except in Germany. So what the markets are waiting is that tomorrow you have the IPC in the United States at 2:30. So we are waiting for that because it will a little bit play also a role in the decision of the Fed for the interest rate. And so that's a major point tomorrow. The results of the IPC, and also for the European part. In Germany, they have in Europe they have the Fed decision regarding the interest rate. It's not really concerning the US, but for Europe it's quite important. So I think that the market is waiting for these two news. So tomorrow IPC, and on Thursday the Fed decision. So for the rest. Also, the Capital Economics report is saying that they believe that maybe they won't cut the interest rate by 50 points, but only maybe a little bit less, so 25. And it will also it's also why the market maybe is waiting and the buyers are waiting to take positions. About the analysis, I will show you this. This is my view of the different indices in Europe and in the States, and the major actions, major company of the Nasdaq, and some other I want to check. So like Nvidia, Broadcom, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Apple. So we see that for the moment they are all in the green, and that the index is a little bit short in the red. So that's also for me a quick view on what is roughly the market for the moment. I have also the Nikkei and the wheat, the gold, and the crude oil. And I have Bitcoin and Ethereum just to show me. And when I see this map and I see that all is red or all is green, I know that I know a little bit the way of the thinking of all the investors. And I'm most confident in my training when I'm doing it, because I remember you that I'm a scalper, so I do scalping on the Nasdaq, and for me I go quick, and I need to have a view of what is the market, the larger market, and I don't have time to go every time on this screen to check. So I have a view directly with that. So also I will maybe switch and just show you the other screen, because it's quite important. It's what we have put in place with a friend investor that we sell. Is this is an indicator. I just place that because my head is in front of the last one. So I see, you see, it's an indicator with balls, and when I see when it's completely blue, it's like it's really up. When it's light blue, it means that it was before red or big blue, and it switched to a little bit. So it's shutting down a little bit. The buyers are shutting down, and the market is going a little bit for the seller, and also that's the and to show it rapidly, we put a percentage, which is a result of a lot of calculation. And when I see the result, when I'm zero, I'm flat, I don't take position. When I'm in between 20 and minus 20%, I'm not really taking position. I will take if I see really starting a quick start, and so I'm before the percentage is switching. But you see here, for example, the gold ball. It means that it's the next trend of the crossing of the day. So that's when you see gold. It's really like a jackpot, and you know that you can go. You can go at that. Gold is for the buyers, and black is for the seller. When you see gold, you know that you can buy. So what I'm doing scalping, when I see, for example, the gold in 5 minutes, I know that I can take position in scalping. So sometimes it's for 4 seconds, 10 seconds. So when I see that behind me, I have a gold ball which is saying the buyers. Okay, it's good for me. It's like a belt in the car, and so I know that I can go fast because I have my belt. So and you see, we start and pump, we are in red. But let's take in mind that the market is not open for the moment. That's the DAX, that's the Nasdaq, that's the Dow Jones, and that's the S&P. My screen for the moment, I screen in the morning because I have a screen for the morning and a screen for the afternoon when the US is starting. I switch back my screen and we analyze with you the market so quickly. Yesterday for the Dow Jones, I already put it all my position because I do it in French first. You have the low Asia from last night, sorry, which is 40,800, and here is 40,920. So I put my pivot in between because in the this morning for Europe, which is we are. I'm GMT Paris, so I'm in Europe. So what is important is that the low, the middle, and the high, and we have a direction in Europe in what we call the UK London killer zone in the morning, and we try to we go to the pivot, we cross the pivot, and we try to reach the up part of the Asian session, and if we cross up, we can attempt that it will go up. In the morning, otherwise, if we go down, we can shut down. And after that, what can happen with the pivot S in support, which is 775, and after that we have the pivot M in the Dow Jones, which is 625. So for the day, because yesterday the below was 575, 575. So what I will attempt is that if we cross the pivot S, I will have in mind my pivot M, try to take a rebound on that with security in the low of the US session yesterday, which is 575, and position at 625. So it's 50 points in difference. So you take this as your ratio, and I want to go up till the 780. So I have a up of 150, 160, and I never take full, and I have a down of 50 points. So it's a 1 for 3. It's really nice. If we go up, I will wait that we cross this Asia. After I have a canal here, which is will block me. That's the high of yesterday. We need to cross this. So I will put in one more. It's better to see. You see, I trace a canal this morning in the French review, and so we have 1 point, 2 point up, 1 point, 2 point down. So it's a canal of 5 points. When we cross the 5 points or 6, it's more volatility. We can have volatility. If we cross, we can go up to the high of yesterday, which is 41,060, 65, and we cross this, we can go to try to reach the R1S, which is 300. Okay, so I will wait to cross this canal. This canal is roughly at 41,000, 14,950. It's roughly here. Or we go up, we cross, or we have a pullback till the pivot M, like I said, pivot S, pivot M, and we try to take a rebound on that. Okay, that's for the Dow Jones. For the Nasdaq, well, I do it in the other way, but Nasdaq. Okay, we have the time for the DAX. So in the 1 hour, the Nasdaq is also the same. We try to cross the 700. We attempt to take 725, 730, but we didn't reach 750, which was not a good news. The deal of the day is try to cross this the 750 and try to reach the pivot S, which is 825, and after the pivot M. That's for a way back to for the buyer. If we go down, we still have yesterday there was a really good trade to be taken, but I will explain to you after because it's 5 minutes. Here for the session of yesterday, we were in between 500 and 700. 500, 700, 500, 700. We tried to cross the 700, but we didn't reach the 750, which is a gold number. The 250, 500, 750, 1,000 is a gold number, and we sometimes, most of the times, we turn around. It's like a resistance support can be. So the deal of the day is not to cross this 500, because if you cross this 500, we have this as support. But if we cross this support, like I explained yesterday, we can shut down. So I don't think we do that today. We will do that today because we are waiting the news of tomorrow, and this will determine also the decision of the Fed for the interest rate. So I think we will wait tomorrow, and today we will again be in between the 500 and 700, and maybe a shorter range. I believe it, but I'm not making the market. So we just follow the sign. In 5 minutes, I will show you the 5 minutes, because you see yesterday we shut down, we go down, and at 5 o'clock European time, we have had here a rebound of the 500, and we have as support the MS1M, which is this is 500, and the other one is 86. So 15 points. So we can put at 20, 25 an SL, so a stop loss, and we wait the news. We wait the signal. Signal is here. You have doji. You have a Dow signal on the first candle. We cross the MACD, okay, and we cross up the RSI. So you must have taken this one at 540 roughly, the opening of the following candle, and you stop when? You stop. You let it go, okay, and you go out, or when this doji is appearing, or when we cross the MACD for a shorting signal, or when we cross the RSI. Crossing RSI didn't appear, or too late. First signal is this one, or the doji. So there were 720, 700. We say 700 because when we are, for my own, when I arrive 700 or before 620, 90 or some, I go out. So, but we take at 540, so 150 points. 150 points. So this must be taken, even if you do scalping. You do scalping on the mini, okay, and you take in the micro which is $2 per pound. So you take what you can take, maybe even one contract, and you let it go. 150 points multiplied by $2 is 300, and you let it go, and in between, in the same time, you do your scalping. It's okay. Yesterday I tried, because I discussed with a friend, I tried top step challenge of 50K, and but in fact I just really rapidly read the rules, and the rules were saying that you can. My target is $3,000, but I cannot do in one day more than 50% of this target. So 1,500. So I stopped yesterday at 1,519 because otherwise I will go up this target, and I don't know what happened. So I stopped. So I have no a little bit to do to reach this. I won't trade today. I'm trading tomorrow and Friday, because I'm occupied Thursday and Tuesday. And so I hope I end of the week to do that. But I'm normally trading with my own capital. So, but I do that to see what's happening with Top Step, and if it's really interesting, and if I do 50K, and it's not because I'm not trading with this sort of platform. My platform is ProTime, and they are more convenient for the scalper, because we can use the tick, and I'm trading in tick and not in minutes. And so it's a better way, and so I can use that in I take with Top Step the Quentor, and I really don't have it in hand. So yesterday it was a little bit. I go out with some contract, and I was believing I was going out with benefits, and at the end I lose $40 or $50 because they have the spread, which is quite big. Because I think we are trading in I don't know if we trade in future or CFD, but the spread is really too much, because on my spread, for example, on Nasdaq is only 0.5. So it's really nothing. So for me, it's really quick to go out. I take 2 points, and I'm going out break-even, and I pay I pay the cost, for the trading. So for the Nasdaq, I explained to you. So the same low Asia, high Asia. We are just in the low part for the moment. The deal at 9 o'clock opening Europe is we cross down, or we go till the pivot and go down, or we cross and we try to reach the 700. Anyway, 700 is the range from yesterday, and I think today will be shorter. So quickly pass on the DAX, because I need the opening is in 10 minutes. The DAX is quite the same as the other one. We have here put that this morning, because I have do it in French first. So remember, try to pass that to friends, explain to friends, say to friends, take an abonnement on the channel, it's free, and make a like, and try to diffuse that to as maximum as person, so that my channel can grow up, and the analysis grow up. If you have some question, you can ask in this video downstairs, and if you want, you go to the site bull-invest.eu. And otherwise, you send me a mail at op.oliverpeters, op.andorre, which is the country, Andorra, op.andorre@gmail.com. Okay, send me a mail. I can explain you lessons. You can take a private coaching to help you in the management, in the trading, and whatever. So if you want, I do also in presential or by video private coaching in principally scalping the Nasdaq and day trading, scalping day trading. In 5 minutes, maximum my timing is 5 minutes. So I never keep positions over the day. So on the Nasdaq, we see here also a candle, shorter candle, which is 2 points up, 2 points down. And so we are also in the 5 points candles. If we cross, we can have an acceleration. But I think that more than the US, the German will wait tomorrow the decision of the BCA and the interest rate. So today I think we have a small range, and we want to have a move like this. That was Friday at 9 o'clock in the evening when we have already closed, and we tried to go up this week. The way is, if we cross this 18,500, we can try to reach the up of yesterday, which is 525. We have the pivot at 540. We need to cross this to go up and take again this 18,700, which is the MR1S. That's the pivot point. If I remember you that I work with the pivot point. And downstairs we have the pivot M, which can be a good support, or the pivot of the range, which is roughly the main support, down support, which are 4. The low of yesterday, the closure of last week, the MS1S, and the down of last week. That is a big support. We don't want to pass, because otherwise we shut down to the low of the candle, which is roughly 18,100. So pay attention. We didn't cross this, because otherwise don't take any buy until we come back again over up this one. So we hope the PVM will do its role today, and that we can maybe go here and go up like this. Okay, so see you guys. I see you tomorrow morning for the same analysis, and please like it, diffuse my video, and if you want to reach me, send me a mail, go on the site, and thanks to listen to me. Excuse for my English. I try to do my best, and I think maybe in a few weeks my English will come back again, because I never speak English since maybe 5 years, because I'm in French part, and so I don't need to speak a lot of English. But I will try again to recuperate my English as much as possible. See you guys. Bye.